How to download Apex Legends on PC on an easy method. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can download Apex Legends on your PC, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to download Apex Legends on your PC, now this can be done with the help of a third-party application for your PC which is called Steam. Just like you have your App Store on iOS and Play Store on Android, you have Steam for PC users. You just want to make sure to download and install Steam. I've already made a dedicated video on that, or if you know how to, I'll make sure to drop a link below. Once you open up Steam, just make sure you're under the Store tab, and then in the search box all you have to do is make sure to go ahead and type in Apex/Legends. Then you'll be able to see the free application or the free game called Apex Legends over here. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page by default where you'll be able to see most of the information of the game. And to download the game, all you have to do is just select this option called Add to Library or Play Game option here. Once you select this option called Play Game, you can see it says updating Steam and then ready to launch. Under this specific setting, what you have to do is just make sure to, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can do that. You can choose a location and just make sure you have at least 60 gigabytes of free storage left in order to install Apex Legends, and then just make sure to install a reliable folder here. Click on the next option. It's going to take a while to download and the install process, but then after that you can successfully play Apex Legends. This way you can play Apex Legends on PC. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.